Tumi Stopnonsons.
You're stopping the nonsense.
Inside a soul and show. You know, all these people, they came out for me, you know.
Yeah.
And I'm so flattered.
Love the confidence.
Yeah, you know,
yeah,
so I'm about to
I saw you on Date My Family. Was it you?
No,
yes,
it's me.
It was you. I see the hair. You rocked it then, eh?
No, the thing is, on Date My Family, I was kissing. Let's see if the kiss was...
No, I will die. I'm married to me, myself, and I. You see?
Okay. Anyways.
But you had energy. It was great. It was boom. A great April Fool's Day. Let me ask you, where do you get your energy from? Who inspires or what inspires?
I don't sleep. I don't drink, I don't smoke. I think that's why I have consistent energy.
Yeah.
So
it's not ADD, ne?
A month. No sugar involved. A month.
It's not ADD. You didn't answer me.
It's not.
It's not. I saw.
Very sure.
You are fooling me.
Highly shocked.
Okay, so who's your favorite comedian besides yourself?
My favorite comedian has to be Stopnonsons. He's a very funny guy. There's this guy, he's very funny, he's got a patch. Yeah, very skinny boy. I love him. He's very funny. Look out for him.
He looks like you.
Something like that. Look at this boy.
Aren't you describing yourself?
Oh yeah, you are saying.
Hi.
So you are saying? Okay, thanks a lot, my man.
It was a great show, man.
Very great show.
Doctor.
Thank you very much.
Have a great night.